Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have Excel and a basic plan. Open a new workbook and set autosave on so you don't lose work. Next, create a transactions table using Control+T and name it clearly. This structure lets formulas reference a stable range. Enter sample rows, date, category, type, income or expense, and amount. Once done, add a categories sheet with consistent labels so drop-downs stay clean. Make sure to save a template copy now to reuse. You'll now wire up the calculations. On summary, make rows for each category and months across the top. Use SUMIFs to pull amounts by category and month so totals auto-update as transactions change. If your Excel is unique, generate the category list dynamically. Otherwise, keep a manual list. Add a running balance calculation referencing transaction dates to reflect cumulative cash flow. Make sure to lock header rows and use named ranges so charts and formulas don't break when you add data. You finish by adding visuals. Link a stacked bar chart to expense categories and a line chart to the running balance so trends jump out. Then, add data validation dropdowns for category and type to prevent typos, and conditional formatting to flag negative balances or overspending over set percent thresholds. Protect the template sheet to avoid accidental formula edits and save backups. If numbers look wrong, check for stray text in amounts or misformatted dates. Sort and filter to find bad rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.